We're here at Silverstone for the 2018 Yamaha Racing Experience.
I think it's a lovely day for guys who own the R1M to be able to get out on the circuit and see what their bikes are really truly capable of.
The similarities that you can notice from the road bike in my race bike, because it's built from the same machine. That DNA, as they call it, is always in the bike.
All the owners here are basically factory riders for a day. They've got Olin's technicians here, they've got Yamaha Japanese here. We've got some world-class riders and some excellent instructors to use out on track. So it really is an amazing money can't buy package. You can't do this anywhere in the world.
I'm very happy to be here because I can meet a lot of customers who enjoy Yamaha.
It's really good for people that haven't done track days before because it gives them the opportunity in a really controlled environment with all these amazing riders here to just have a go and see what it's all about.
It's not just a track day, it's an whole event. You know, we have a nice dinner the night before, hotel accommodation. The people can learn more about the bike, about the electronics, about the setup of the bike, about tires. So it's not that they just buy a bike, they get a lot more for that.
You can look at your data through your iPad after and see your lap times. You know, it's absolutely perfect. And I started off this morning 10 seconds slower than I am now.
It's a mixture of fast corners, slow corners. I think it really is a perfect track for this sort of day.
It's a dream. We come all over from Israel.
Thoroughly recommend it, might even do it again. Yeah, it's brilliant, you won't regret it, put it that way.